Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble text in Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Select the Type tool and type your desired text. For the best results, choose a thick, rounded font. Once your text is ready, right-click on it and select Create Outlines to convert it into editable shapes. This crucial first step prepares your text for the fun bubble transformation ahead, giving you full control over its appearance. Now that your text is outlined, it is time to apply the magic bubble effect. With your text selected, navigate to the Effect menu, then choose Distort and Transform, and finally Pucker and Bloat. A slider will appear. Move it to a positive value, usually between 20 and 40%, to make your text bloat outwards. You will see the edges round out, giving it that distinct puffy, bubble-like look. Click OK to confirm your changes. To further refine your bubble text, go to Object and select Expand Appearance. This makes the effect permanent and editable. Now, you can add a stroke to your text for a more defined outline, perhaps a darker shade of your fill color. Experiment with various fill colors and gradient options to make your bubbles pop. Adjusting the stroke weight, maybe to 2 or 3 points, and its color can significantly enhance the overall bubbly look, giving it depth and character. For advanced customization, consider grouping multiple bubble text elements together to maintain consistency across your design. Applying a subtle drop shadow can add fantastic depth and realism, making your bubbles appear to float off the page. Try duplicating your text and scaling it to create bubbles of varying sizes, adding visual interest. You can also combine different bubble text styles within a single composition for truly dynamic and engaging designs. Have fun experimenting with these techniques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.